Tonight, we are going to be taking over the Simple Frugal Basic household. First, I did a bit of cleaning. Next, I got prepared for the meal today, and I'm really excited for this meal because I love steak. So first, we opened up the steak and we used a cast iron pan, put a bit of butter on there, and before anybody asks, oh, why is a 12-year-old boy going out and cooking for his family? But don't worry, mind you, I love cooking, so this is something I enjoy. Also, don't worry about the red wine. It cooks out all the alcohol when you cook. So I added a bit of garlic and onions, and then I added the steak. I also cut up a bit of garlic for later, mushrooms for later. But we cut up the corn, then we boiled the water, and then we put the Montreal steak seasoning. Mind you don't have to put steak seasoning, but I like steak seasoning. Then I made the radish salad. Also, I forgot to add vegetable oil, salt, and pepper, so make sure to add that. And then you put the mushrooms on, and then you put the corn in. Make sure that you don't burn yourself during putting the corn in. And then, yeah, you just have to wait for a little while. So while I was waiting, I did the whites. And then there you go. Steak and corn salad.